Giant killer Dayanand Sopte, who defeated former Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, admits that he has an offer from the BJP. But he says he has rejected the offer. He claims he won't leave the Congress party even if he is offered Chief Minister's post.
Sopte told Goa 365 that he would remain loyal to the people who had elected him by rejecting the BJP. He also said that he was capable of developing his constituency even if he is in the opposition. He also criticized Vishwajit Rane for ditching the Congress party.
ऑफर इल्ली आसा हेचे फुडें आसतली पण हांवें तुमकां एक सांगलां की लोकांचो विश्वासघात करून म्हाका म्हाजो स्वार्थ सादपाचो ना, केन्नाच ना. म्हाका लोकांनी निवडून दिला आपली कामां करून घेवपाक. म्हाका म्हाजी जबाबदारी आमदार ह्या नात्यान कामां करून दिवपाक आनी ती कशी दिवप आनी कशी करून घेवप हे हांव ठरयतलो आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा हांव ते करूनय दाखयतलो. लोकांनी दिल्ल्या विश्वासाचो विश्वासघात हो दयानंद सोपटे केन्नाच करचो ना. ती ऑफर मागे मुख्यमंत्र्याची आसत. आय गॉट दॅट मच कॅपेसिटी टू सीट अँड रूल ऑन बाय सिटींग ऑन दॅट चेअर इवन चीफ मिनिस्टर चेअर. बट ना, हांव करचो ना. हांव म्हाज्या लोकांक जाय तेच करतलो आनी परत ठामपणे सांगता जितकी कितकी जरी ऑफर जरी येयली जाल्यार दयानंद सोपटे त्या ऑफरीक कितें म्हणटा तो बळी पडचो ना.
Our reporter Sandeep Kamolkar from Mandre.